did baby bangs on accident again. But I have a girlfriend that loves me no matter what I look like.
Are you crying?
No!
Am I in it?
Yeah. Baby, what do you think of my hair right now?
I like it. Is that not the answer you wanted?
I know you like it, but don't you think it could be better?
No.
When I come out of this bathroom, I'm gonna be a changed woman.
No!
You wanna help me?
Oh. What if I fuck it up?
I'll just wear it curly. You can't mess up when you got wavy hair.
That's what they all say.
Who else is asking you? What are you doing right now? Are you busy right now? Suddenly my girlfriend is so busy.
So busy.
These are all the goods that I need. I really thought I was getting away with not going through an awkward phase while growing out my shaved head. However, I would say this is the most awkward my hair has been in the last year. The top falls over it in a way that is giving Willy Wonka. In the way that it's giving Lord Farquaad. Do you have another one, my love?
Beautiful. I don't have anything. You're so unique.
Who am I, honestly? It's giving.
Sia.
Thank you. My girlfriend, everyone.
Yay.
Do you think this looks good?
Yeah.
That's what I thought. I did a little research. And I'm thinking the 90s Bixie is the vibe. It is a mixture of the bob and the Pixie haircut. Now we are definitely giving bob right now. Why not shape it up a little bit? I think this could look like a haircut that was on purpose. At least that's the plan. Okay, let's get started. Wait, excuse me. Sorry. I am really scared. I'm not gonna lie. Now, do I have years of experience with hair? In fact, I do. Have I ever done this haircut before? No. So wish me luck. Yeah. Can I have my coffee? Free promo.
You really need it.
They
it's
need
so
it.
underground.
It really is. Have you heard of the artist Ariana Grande?
Is that how you say the last name?
I don't know.
Oh, that was Grande.
This is how we're doing it. Triangle in the front. Perfect. And we're pinning the top part up. And lastly, these front pieces are going to be in their own section as well. Now I feel cute and ready to cut. Sections completed.
It's giving Willy Wonka.
It's been giving Willy Wonka. You're just blinded by love.
I'll hop in your chocolate fountain any day, baby. Wait a second. Actually, yeah, I said what I said.
This is the part that I'm gonna need my girlfriend's help.
Oh, shit.
You can say no. I can do it on my own.
Oh, I can do that.
That's my girl right there.
This is gonna look good.
Good girl. Oh my gosh, cosmo intelligence 2.
That was a good one.
Yeah?
I'm proud of that one. Now I see why hairstylists, when you tell them like just 2 inches, I see why they do like 5.
It's easy to go crazy. Yeah. Oh, we're doing it. Oh my god, dream team. Next up. Okay, and now I'm scared. This part gets really real. And now we have these crazy long sides that don't match up. Oh, I meant to grab my razor. Hold please, hold please. I wanna look like a fairy princess over here. So it's okay that we have some like longer pieces. They're just gonna kind of like blend in together and make it look kind of like wispy. We need to get rid of all this length right there. My curls are coming back. Wait, I already feel really cute. Okay, what we want is for it to like kind of curl in like that. I feel adorable. Next side. I think my mom is gonna love this haircut so much. Ah! Stop looking, you can't peek yet. Ruining the surprise. And it's looking real whimsical. I feel so freaking cutie. So what? I'm gonna lose my mind. I could do the bangs next, but that part I'm freaking out about. I could just go to layer the top first. Growing out of Pixie, I kind of had bangs the whole time, essentially. How short should my bangs be?
Long as it'll curl up.
Long as it'll curl up. That's right, that's right. I think I went too short. No, don't look. I'm serious, don't look. I'm serious. Don't look, I'm embarrassed.
What is it gonna grow out in the next 5 minutes?
I hope so. I really hope so. I did baby bangs on accident again. No, I'm giving extra Willy Wonka. No, it's okay, we're fine. I'm gonna slowly take some hair and pull it to the side. The part that was cut right there. And then we're gonna right down. But it doesn't blend with the sides because the sides are too short. So I think we need to keep cutting. Yeah, that's not happening. Curtain bangs, a fun idea, but we're not gonna be there. We're not gonna be there yet. So I think I need to keep cutting. Just gotta keep cutting and blending into this side piece. Okay, I think that's gonna be it. I think that's gonna be it for now. And I need to do the top to be able to breathe again. Okay, the top is gonna bring it all together. I just know it will. I just know it will. Glad I have a girlfriend that loves me no matter what I look like.
No matter what.
I'm gonna cry. I'm going through all the stages right now. I really am.
You'll bring it together.
Yes. Yes, I will. You are so right.
Are you crying?
No. Okay. We just need to just layer this like crazy. I feel like that's honestly gonna be the move. Trying to match kind of like the length all around, honestly, is what's going on. We are layered up. Okay, I'm feeling a little bit better now. I kind of feel like a rock star. I think we have a solid, like, shaggy base right now. This is kind of crazy. Because I want the grand reveal for my... I need to re-angle some mirrors so I can do this. I think we have a haircut going on now. We did something. We really did something here. I won't know what it looks like until I actually wash it. So I think that's what needs to happen next. Oh my gosh, wait, honestly, wait, this is really cute. I was really sad for a moment because I was like, I think I just ruined my hair. But we have something going on.
Whoa.
Okay?
Oh my god.
It's a haircut. And now it blends.
Yeah. Whoa. Ooh, okay, middle part.
Does it remind you of when we...
Yes. Oh. This looks good. And this is doing everything.
I was like tweaking. I was like, I cut it too short. I shouldn't have done bangs. What am I doing with my life?
You really did that. You watched a YouTube video for what, 30 seconds?
I did really skip through it.
Yeah. Oh my
I was like,
God.
yeah, I'm gonna do that tomorrow. Do you think it'll look better, Carly?
It looks great right now.
Thank you. Is it giving like 90s?
Yeah. Completely.
I love 90s. Okay. Let's... I'll do my hair now. Okay. I am feeling like a whole human now, and this is insane. The curls are back, and I'm hyped. I do think this will be easier to grow out from here. Last idea, not the best idea. This one, solid. Part of me is like, should I make the sides a little shorter? Oh, let me know what you think in the comments down below. Is this something you would try? Girlfriend, do you want to take a peek?
Oh my god! That's a motherfucking Bixie cut. Oh my god, that's so cute.
Well, y'all, thanks for experiencing all the feelings with me today. Let me know if you think this is a win and if the Bixie cut is the thing of the year. I'm calling it now. I'm calling it right now. I think something's happening. Well, thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye. Are you next? You want one?
No. God, I could not pull it off.
Oh my god.